You're probably aware that your lungs are one of the most important organs in your body. If you're breathing, then you know your lungs are working for you. Although chances are you may not even think about your lungs so much. They help you breathe 12 to 15 times a minute at rest. That's more than 6 million breaths a year. If your lungs could talk, the only thing they'd ask you is to keep them healthy and not abuse them so much. They have to work continuously for you to help you breathe. Lung damage can be caused by various substances and conditions. Some of the most common cases of lung damage include smoking, pollution, and household items like asbestos, bird protein, and mold. Lung damage affects more than 200 million people in the world, 65 million of whom have moderate to severe lung disease. The surprising fact is that it's undiagnosed by 72 to 93%, which means most people don't even know they have it. If you have symptoms like chronic cough, shortness of breath, wheezing, or chronic chest pain, keep watching today's video and find out some remedies that can reverse lung damage. Don't forget to subscribe to Bestie and click the bell icon for future notifications. Number 1. Stop smoking. We often talk about how bad smoking is for you on this channel, but that's only because it's true. Smoking is the leading cause of lung damage. Although any damage done to the lungs and airways can't be totally reversed, giving up smoking can help prevent further damage. Quitting may be all the treatment that's needed in the early stages of lung damage. Remember, it's never too late to stop smoking. Number 2. Conserve your energy. If you're someone with damaged lungs, breathing can be taxing and it'll take more energy than the average person. So try getting plenty of sleep at night and plan for one rest period each day. Elevate your head at night and your feet during the day when your ankles swell. Rest before activities. Make realistic plans for chores and avoid extreme exertion such as heavy lifting, raking, and shoveling. If you can try, avoid working long hours. Number 3. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has been known to be beneficial for a lot of problems, including lung damage. It contains a natural compound called eucalyptol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This can help open up your airways and also help reduce mucus production from the lungs. One recent study suggested adding 12 drops of eucalyptus oil to 150 milliliters of boiling water and inhaling up to 3 times a day will give you the best results. Number 4. Green tea. If you're a green tea lover like me, you'll be happy to hear that green tea contains many antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the lungs. These compounds even protect lung tissue from the harmful effects of smoke inhalation. A recent study involving more than 1,000 adults reported that people who drank at least 2 cups of green tea per day had better lung function than those who drank none. So go out there and grab your favorite flavor for maximum health benefits. Number 5. Tomatoes. You'll be surprised to hear that these little red things can be very beneficial in reversing lung damage. According to a new study, eating tomatoes can help slow the damage to your lungs by reversing it. Eating more than 2 tomatoes a day has been shown to lower the decline in lung function as well. Just be sure to use fresh tomatoes and not that tomato sauce you were thinking of. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used as a food additive for centuries because of its various health benefits. A recent study reported that curcumin, an active ingredient in turmeric, has a wide variety of benefits for people suffering from lung disease. It can help prevent and modulate inflammation in the airways. Plus, it manages stress caused by lack of oxygen in the body. You can mix turmeric and ginger with boiling water and drink daily for best results. Add a pinch of honey to make this drink even tastier. Number 7. Maintain healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight does not necessarily mean being just overweight. If you have lung damage, being underweight can be just as harmful. If you're significantly overweight, your heart and lungs have to work harder. This can make breathing more difficult by putting pressure on your lungs. Being underweight means you're at a greater risk of aggravating lung damage due to the less muscle strength and poor immune system function in underweight people. So don't go for an extreme diet. Just try to maintain a balanced, healthy weight and see the positive effects on your lungs. Number 8. Steam therapy. It's not as difficult as it sounds. Steam therapy, or steam inhalation, involves inhaling water vapor to the open airways. This helps the lungs drain mucus. People with lung damage may notice their symptoms worsen in a cold or in the dry air. This climate can dry out the mucus in the airways and restrict blood flow, which makes it harder for you to breathe. Steam also adds warmth and moisture to the air, which improves breathing and can help loosen mucus inside the airways and lungs. You can inhale water vapor for immediate relief and breathe more easily. A fairly simple technique. Number 9. Stay active. Staying active can be a double-edged sword for people with lung damage. Being short of breath all the time isn't the best motivator for getting up and moving around. Exercises such as walking, jogging, and biking can be quite challenging. An interesting alternative can be water-based exercises, such as aqua walking and swimming. Yoga and Tai Chi have also shown to be beneficial in reversing lung damage by improving lung function and exercise tolerance. So find something that works for you and stay active and healthy. Number 10. Eat healthy. Eating healthy can prove to be very effective in reversing lung damage. You can increase portions of vegetables and fruit in your daily diet. Reduced amounts of fresh fruit and vegetables are associated with lung damage. Fruits and vegetables contain high levels of antioxidants, which have been shown to protect against this type of damage. For the highest level of antioxidants, choose brightly colored fruits such as blueberries, oranges, apples, and plums, as well as green vegetables like broccoli, squash, and bell peppers. So eat healthy and protect your lungs better. We understand that living with lung damage can be emotionally and physically challenging. You might have to adjust your daily routines and activities, sometimes radically, to take care of your breathing problems. There are certain activities that you might have liked that you're unable to do so because of your lung damage. Remember, always consult a doctor if you're having trouble breathing. Follow the remedies that we mentioned in this video and see what a difference it makes to your damaged lungs. Have you ever felt shortness of breath? What do you do to breathe better? Let us know in the comment section below.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.